Hello and welcome to the My Supply Chain Group demo of the Product Allocation Threshold Report. I'm going to walk you through a couple of steps on how you can use this report to show you your product allocation consumption across your entire product set. The first step is to choose the product allocations group. This list is populated with all of the groups from your configuration, so nothing is hard-coded. After selecting the group, the system recognizes which planning area is associated with that group, and when you hit the Enter key, all of the rest of the configuration is displayed. The system knows what key figures are associated, the forward-backward consumption parameters, whether you consume allocations in the past, as well as the CVC and grouping and structures associated with this. So the next step we're going to do is select some CVCs. We can choose to show all of them or filter down like any other planning book. In this case, we're going to filter to a specific customer level 3, and it will pull all of the CVCs that are associated there. We're then going to choose a CVC grouping for my aggregation and choose an allocation object, product, and that customer level 3. Then I'm going to choose a threshold value and say I want to see any CVCs that has been consumed between 10 and 50%. I also want to see a tolerance of 5%, so it shows me some of the products that are very close to that threshold. And I'm going to look a little bit further out in time, so I set my to date to December, and then I choose to also see not only my consumption percentage, but also my quantities of incoming orders and total allocation. So then when I run this, I now get to see my CVCs that met my search criteria. Anything in the light red you see is between my 10 and 50%. If I scroll a little to the right, you notice that my 5% tolerance said anything between 5 and 10% will show up as yellow. And the same way if it were between 50 and 55%. And anything over 100% alerts me to errors, so it highlights those in dark red. From this screen, I can then drill into a specific CVC and go into the standard AC42 transaction, where I can see my allocation consumption situation, and then drill in again and see my specific sales orders that are consuming my consumption. So as you can see, it's a great way to take a broad query of your entire situation, unlike any native capabilities that's in your SCM solution today. Thank you.